Wontonne Tyre Gripper. This tire gripper is widely used in the handling of large tires, such as aviation, mining, ports, etc. It is designed to help these tire professionals under different working conditions, ensuring tire handling safety, reducing danger, and improving efficiency. How to remove tire. Safely lift, tilt, rotate, and maneuver within narrow working areas. Avoid damage to tires, rims, and equipment. How to install tire. Precise operation reduces internal damage, provides optimal control and grip of the large tires. Integrated IR camera. For optimal view and precise adjustment. Handling tire. Unique and safe 3-point grip. Tilt function 90 degrees, horizontal to vertical. Accept OEM service and customization. Welcome to contact Wontonne Sailors for more details.